Are you looking to grow your email list? Have you heard from so many different people in the online space how important your email list is, but a lot of the strategies that you've seen include paid advertisements, and maybe you're just not quite there yet in your business. You don't have the budget to really invest into paid ads and to grow your email list that way. So how else can you grow an email list for free? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through my favorite way to grow an email list, and that's through YouTube. To learn more about this strategy, make sure you click the link below this video to download my lead generation ebook. Inside, you're going to find my 3-step system on how I generate leads with YouTube. So if you didn't know this already, YouTube is a search engine. It's actually owned by Google, which is the largest search engine in the world, which makes YouTube a really great way to get organic traffic into your business. People are constantly looking to Google and YouTube to search for solutions to their problems or get answers to their questions, maybe look for a review for a new product or service, or just to be entertained. So if you can show up in those search results, you now have an opportunity to have them click and watch your video, understand more about your business, and then funnel that traffic to wherever it is that you want it to go. So it could go to your social media channels, to your email list, to an offer you might have. There's a lot of different strategies here, and I have a lot more videos on my channel talking about these different YouTube strategies. So make sure to check those out. I will link the playlist above this video for you. But in this video, since we're talking about growing your email list, once someone comes and finds your video and clicks on it, you really want to drive that traffic to an email list. And this is so important because an email list is one thing that you own. It's not like social media where, if Facebook or Instagram decided to go away tomorrow, you would have no control over that audience that you built on those social media channels. That's why it's really, really important that you build an email list so that if that does happen, you still have a place filled with audience members that you actually own and you can communicate with on your terms. But let's be honest, no one is going to sign up for your email list, even through your YouTube video, unless they're getting some value out of you, right? So this is where a lead magnet or a freebie comes into play. Once they watch your video and you tell them about this freebie that you have available to them to learn even more and get even more information on the subject, they then click on it and then join your email list from there. And in exchange, you give them that piece of information, that freebie. The great thing about this is that it's really a win-win situation. Not only are you building your email list and then building this audience that you own, but you're also giving even more value to your audience member, right? You're providing them with even more information for free. So it really is about a relationship and the relationship that you're building between you and your audience. So that's the first way on YouTube to start generating and growing your email list. But there are a couple different areas on YouTube that are also going to help you really grow this email list. The first one is your YouTube banner. So if you actually look on someone's YouTube banner, in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see some of the different links, right? Usually they'll have their social media links, they might have a link to their website, but then you can also put a link to your freebie there as well. So again, you're providing value to someone who lands on your channel and wants to learn more about you, but then you're also growing your email list. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that YouTube does have a character limit when it comes to writing a call to action here. So instead of saying download my freebie, which might be too long of a call to action, you could use something like learn social media or grow your business, something like that. And the way that you would enter this information is by going to your About section once you hit your YouTube Studio link and then entering your link information from there. So it actually isn't part of your YouTube banner design, but it is part of the information that will appear on your YouTube banner. So for a walkthrough tutorial on how to do this, I do have a video all about setting up your YouTube banner for success, and I'll make sure to link it in the YouTube cards above here for you. The next place that you're going to want to add your freebie link to grow your email list is your About section on YouTube. So once you've added that link to the actual links portion of your YouTube channel, you actually want to mention it within your About section as well. So in your About section, you want to be talking about who you are, what you do, why people should subscribe to your channel, and then also include if you want to learn more about XYZ, and then the link to your freebie. This is just another really great place to, again, drive that traffic to your freebie and to your email list. Finally, the last place you really want to include this freebie link is your social media channels. So this means having it in all of your bios or in any of the about sections on your social media channels so that you can drive that traffic over there. And it also means that you need to make sure you have a call to action in the caption of your social media content. Now, I'm a big fan of repurposing video content, and that's why I've included this strategy in this video, because once you've created content for YouTube, you can then break that content down into multiple pieces to go across your social media channels. Now, when you do this, you want to make sure you're having a call to action in there that reminds people that you do have this awesome freebie for them. And so they can head to the link in your bio or click the link below if you're on Facebook to get that from you. So this is just a really good way, again, to create a traffic system that you're then leading to different areas of your business and growing your email list at the same time. So what do you think of this strategy? Have you tried using YouTube to grow your email list? Let me know in the comments below. Now, I know there are a lot of email list building strategies out there, and I have just touched on a few of them in this video. So if you have any more questions on growing your email list, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I would be happy to create more videos on this channel for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you next week. Bye. Grow it for free, for free.